Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make pour painting by a very different way. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. For this I have taken Fevicryl acrylic colors. The link of these colors are in the description box. Now just keep the canvas on the colors gently. Don't push, let the color do its work on its own. Oh wow, look at the beautiful textures, I just love it. I will repeat the same procedure and make a few more. I made a few textured papers from the paint left for my next painting as I don't like to waste paint. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Look forward to my next video. Till then, bye bye.